Mako Balloon. Hi guys, long time no vlog. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, remember to subscribe, join the Furaha squad. So I'm doing a random vlog, by the way. I've never vlogged where I work. So today I'm just from work. I'm heading home and I want to share with you a night routine, what I do after work, before I sleep. So yeah, let's catch up on this vlog. I've been so busy, guys, so that's why I did most of sit down videos since December. But yeah, vlogs are coming. So right now, let me just do this random vlog. Like, why not? Let's catch up once again. I'm just here to get some movies because I am a movie addict. Hey guys, so I got my movies. Yeah, he's the movie guy. What's your name?
Ian.
So shout out to Ian. Yeah,
Delete movies.
yeah. So tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, like everything.
Yes.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to that YouTube channel.
Thank you. Yeah. So I got my movies, guys. Don't worry, I can't show you the outfit because it's a corporate uniform and I'm not allowed to put it on public. So yeah, you're gonna have to deal with just my head. Yeah, but it will get better. And yeah, hey, that sun against my skin. This is a golden hour, man. This is awesome. So I'm rushing home because I wanna do there's a program I normally watch at Switch TV in Ebru. It's like a talk program. I love those talks, so I'm going there to catch up on it, and I'm a little bit late, but yeah, I'm gonna make it. I normally walk home. It's part of the exercise. Yeah, and I don't stay far from my workplace, so yeah. So this is like me warming up as I walk to home. Then when I reach there, I skip and do some just mostly skipping and then some few workouts here and there. Then I'm good to go. Yeah, we are home. So where I am, it's not really like so developed. It's a small town, so this is like the best house I got here, but it's good, it's not bad. I'm trying to find my key so that I can open the gate. Wow, like wow, that was my key. I'm just removing the makeup after I do my errands. It's when I'm gonna shower and I cleanse and just moisturize. So yeah, this is pretty much what I do every day. Like I come here, remove my makeup, just skip a little bit, then watch my program, and then I cook and shower before I eat. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Let's go work out. So this is the program I was talking about. It's on Switch TV chat spot. I normally rotate between this program and the one at Ebru TV. Yeah, I love such talks, you know. Yep. So let's watch while we work out. Yeah. We are sweating, guys. Yes, so this is awesome. You know, sometimes you just need to sweat. Yeah, after work, it helps me relax, it helps me sleep well, and also keeping fit. So my show is almost over right there. So the next thing I do is just to So the next thing is to cook, guys. You have to cook, yeah, cause I don't like taking a shower immediately after working out. It's not recommended. So I have to, as I cool off, I normally fix myself. Maybe do some errands, kitchen errands. If it's washing utensils or cooking, I do that. And after that, I shower before I eat. So let's do that, yeah. So I'm cooking minced meat, guys. Minced meat with spaghetti. Yeah, I miss that meal, so that's what we're cooking today. So as I cook, guys, I normally listen to the news, yeah, because I don't like to sit down and watch the news because I normally get lazy and then I fail to cook, yeah. So I normally cook, yeah, as I listen to the news. My meal is ready, guys. So before I eat, I normally just shower, then I relax because when I eat before I shower, it's a disaster. So let me eat, let me shower, then we eat, yeah. From showering, guys, I'm not naked, please. So the next thing I do my skincare, my mini skincare routine. As you saw, I wore makeup today, so I have to just exfoliate a bit. I'm not doing like a mask. This product is Garnier Pure 3 Active. This one right. My skincare routine is done, guys. So if you wanna see the whole routine, just check my playlist. I have a night skincare routine. So I've changed into just a t-shirt and some shorts to be comfortable. I now feel fresh. So I like eating my food while I'm feeling fresh because after that, I just chill around and sleep. Here's my food, guys. So yummy. I hope you are able to catch up with the recipe, guys. Yeah, if you want a detailed one, just comment below. This is how I eat, guys. Yeah, you know, if I'm alone, I just have to be free and eat. Yes. So as I eat, guys, I normally watch a movie. I just stay away from the phone and just eat and catch up. So today I'm watching Good Trouble season 2. Yes. So this is my chill time. I normally catch up on my phone after I eat. Yeah, so this is the time I just unwind and eat and just catch up later.
We're just so excited.
So yeah, let's eat, movie is on.
I'm not satisfied until I get it. I'm not satisfied until I get it. Not satisfied. Not satisfied. Not satisfied. Mariana? What? Wake up. What?
What? Was that a dream?
Wake up. I'm gonna turn that off for like 10 minutes.
So I'm done eating, guys. So normally after here I don't do much. I just watch my movie, catch up with some messages on my phone, which is I'm filming with it right now, so I can't show you that part. So after that I just catch up on some YouTube videos, then I sleep. Yeah, that is pretty much my night routine, yeah, after work. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment below if you love this kind of videos so that I can do more of those. Yeah, it was such a random vlog by the way. I just decided from work that I'm gonna pick up this phone and just vlog, yeah, you see. So yeah, I think I just love the randomness. It's raw, it's rich, so I hope you love it too. So make sure you give this video some love, and if you're new, join the squad. We have a lot to offer you, and I'm sure you will enjoy this ride. Yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.